When the cylinder valve is briefly opened and then closed again, about 3.5 cubic centimeters of extinguishing gas at cylinder pressure 200 or 300 bar remains trapped in the short connecting tube between the cylinder valve and the quick release valve. These 3.5 cubic centimeters are now isolated from the extinguishing agent container. If the quick release valve is leaking, the pressure in this small area drops quickly, allowing the leak to be detected and fixed immediately. This eliminates time-consuming procedures such as draining the cylinder, disassembling, filling and shipping for repair, removing and installing a new valve, and refilling the cylinder. This feature is especially advantageous in international projects where the nearest filling station may be far away. Our experience in various countries shows that leaky valves are often not repaired because the effort to replace the cylinder is too great. AccurateFlow makes maintenance simple and efficient. Refilling after a discharge is also remarkably easy with AccurateFlow, as the cylinder valve is globally recognized and can be safely operated by any gas refiller. Another advantage of the AccurateFlow system is the ability to test it without an actual discharge. Traditional quick-release valves cannot be fully tested due to the high risk of leakage. Gas extinguishing systems often remain on standby for years, and their functionality is only confirmed in an emergency. With AccurateFlow, this safety factor can be guaranteed. Even regular maintenance by specialist companies does not ensure that the quick-release valve is checked. With AccurateFlow, the inspection is safe, quick, and comprehensive. If the valve is leaking, a replacement valve can be easily installed. A replacement part can be quickly delivered worldwide without the need for hazardous material transport.